back to Hair Hacks for Girls. Today we have a special guest, my sister,
Mallory.
So we are gonna get haircuts today. And so yeah, look at the poster. So yeah, we're getting haircuts today. And we're gonna show you the before and after, but this is the before. So our hair is pretty long, kinda, I don't really know. We hopefully are gonna get like a strand of like colored hair. Not a spray, but it's like an attachment. I really want to get blue. What color do you want to get, Mal?
Well, since it's probably too long for me, and it's probably too short for you,
Mel, they size it, so it's not going to be too long or short.
Okay.
So yeah, I've gotten a pink one before, but now I want to get blue because that's my new favorite color. Mallory, you never said what one you want to get.
I'm gonna get turquoise.
You want to get turquoise?
If they have one.
Yeah, I don't know if they have, but they probably have like different shades. I don't really know. I can't really remember because this was like when I'm second grade and I'm going into fifth grade. So, but I remember they have a huge selection. So yeah, I'm super excited. I don't know if they're doing it with COVID, but yeah. So we'll show you the before and after. Okay, so that was Mallory's before. Now we're gonna show you my before. Okay, so Mallory's going, I don't know, she wants to do something, she wants to play Barbies, okay. And anyway, so that was our before and after. And so hopefully we get the strand, and yeah, come back for the after. Okay guys, we are back. Okay, so they did not have the hair extensions, but we were allowed to get them colored. For some reason, they didn't have the hair extensions anymore. I don't know why, but we were allowed to get them colored. It comes out after one wash. I got blue. It's super cute. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And we also went to Five Below after. And yeah, let me get Mallory. This is also like, I got it cut. I didn't really here, Mallory, sit down. We look kind of like Descendants characters. It kind of reminds me of that, you know?
I need to show them my bubbles.
Oh yeah, Mallory wants to show you her stuff.
So I do not know what this is, but
it's like a baby bottle.
No, it isn't.
She got a Pixie Pop.
No, that's not Pixie Pop.
Okay, sorry.
It's this. And you have here's a little shortcake friend. I forgot what the name is because I forget everything.
Okay, Mallory, this is Hair Hacks for Girls. Ready? Show them your hair. Oh. Mallory just got to trim like just the dead ends off. I didn't really have a choice. I chose to get the dead ends off, but I had so many like dead ends that it got cut pretty short. So yeah. So thanks for watching Hacks for Girls. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.